This is my apartment right now. Okay, this is how deep the water has came in. It's all flooded. My entire apartment is flooded. This is the water in my apartment. This is the dining table, the living room. Okay, this is my kitchen, flooded. My dining area, flooded. All because of this damn rain outside. My laundry room, flooded. My kids' bathroom, flooded. The carpets are floating. Everything's floating in there. The kids' rooms, flooded. The kids' closets, flooded. Zara, be careful, baby. Oh my God. The blankets.
I hate me.
Oh my God, Akib's closet. I don't want to even open it right now. Akib's closet. Oh my God. It's flooded. All of my baby's clothes are flooded. Oh my God. This is my room. As you can see how deep the water has come into my room. My restroom. That's how bad the water is in my restroom. Let me show you how the foot is going in.
उसमें तूने पॉलिसी से मालूम करी कितने की?
हाँ पॉलिसी कर लिए मेरा सब कुछ. ओ एक सेकंड सॉरी. I'm taking a video. फोन कर लिया उसको. My closet, everything. My new express clothes, everything fell because of the weight of the water. It fell on the floor and it got wet. My whole closet is wet. Thank God I managed to save some of my saris. But everything is flooded. This is my room. I don't know what we're gonna do. My sari. It's flooded. Okay. Okay, this is, as you can see, this is all because of the flood that happened today. And it's still raining outside. Sorry about the mess. We're trying to pick everything from the floor and put it on top. Save as much as we can. But 90% of my apartment is damaged. As you can, this is my patio. That's my car. And this is Farid's car. And it's still raining outside. My gifts got flooded too. Yeah.